Hello everyone. So today I am back with another demo or another project, let's say. So Toyota Corolla 2017. I'm changing two filters today, in cab and in the engine bay. So first I'm gonna start with the engine bay, which is the bigger filter, air filter, and another air filter with the in the cabinet. So let's put the cabinet one here. I'm gonna open up the engine bay one. So this one I just bought it online. I'm not sponsored. I'm just trying to demo how I do change my filters. So the first one is the engine bay. So the filter is located here. So I'm gonna, very easy, I'm gonna show you guys how to open it and just change the filter. Let's get into the first one in the engine bay. So here's the engine bay, and the filter is gonna be located right under here. So two latches are here, one here, another one is right under here. I'm just undo them just like so. One here, one here, so completely loose. I can just release it. So if you guys see, it's very easy, came out. So let me just, because I don't want to video one-handed, I'm gonna put it back on the stand and finish it. So while I'm taking it out, that's very easy. Take it out, and it looks like this. And the newer one is this one. They are the same size-wise and everything. This one it's been used, as you guys see. It's a little bit dirty. And then this one is a newer one. So I'm gonna locate this one under here. It should be very straightforward. And then when it fills here, it should just sit, and then locate it, and just like so. It's just very easy. So I just latch them back, just assemble them here and latch them back, and the filter is on. So the bigger filter, the dirty one, has changed. Right now the clean one is there. And then I'm gonna go show you guys the inside cab as well. Okay, I'm inside the cab. So the inside filter, which is this one, it is right here under this compartment, which is the glove box. I am making I'm gonna open it up first. When you open it up, so these two sides, you just push them just like so, very easy. It comes out. So in this side there is a latch, there's a capsule. Hopefully I can take it out with one hand, which is I did actually, and it just comes loose all the way down. And then under here, if you guys see, this compartment is the filter in it. This side has a latch, just push and just undo it. Very easy and straightforward. And here is the filter, just like so. Take it out, and as you guys see, it's pretty filthy and filled up with gunk, and I see some bugs as well. So I'm gonna just replace this one with a new one. Let me get the new one in. So this is a new one, and it is just looks like so. I just put the Sorry, I dropped it. I put the letters like just like so. So it means here it's gonna be up. I'm gonna go down just like so. Slide it in. Sorry if I'm doing it one-handed. So it just like so fits in, and I get the lid back. Slide it there. Hopefully I'm demoing. That's good. So this latched in, and that's all. Both filters are changed. So this piston goes back here, and then I'm just assemble the door back, and the glove back's gonna be back up. So when you are putting the doors back, actually make sure the latches are in the spot. I'm talking about this latches here and here. Make sure they're all the way in, push it in, and then make sure the piston here is back. I'm doing it one-handed, so excuse me if I am not very okay. So I did it, so very easy. As soon as I push the door, I just in the spot, and the project is done. So hopefully this helped, and give us like and subscribe us our channel to see more with us. So I literally saved about $100 just in this couple small steps. I will see you guys in the next project.